Hi paper crafters, this is Lorena, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and for this week's money saving video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bow. It looks so complicated to make, but you are going to be surprised how easy it is to make. So let's get started. What we're going to need is your crocodile, you're going to need a snail adhesive, one jumbo brad, the ones that have the long tip, a piece of designer series paper that measures 5 by 12, and your cutting tool. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show you is we're going to be cutting this paper. Okay, so take your designer series paper and go to the 1 inch. And we're going to be cutting 8 1 by 5 strips. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now you're gonna turn the paper this way and you're gonna cut 1 inch strip, just one. Okay, now you're gonna flip it again and you're gonna cut 4 1 inch strips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now what you're gonna realize is that when you cut the 4 last pieces of paper, the last one is gonna be smaller than the 3 of them. So you're gonna put that one aside, and then the one that you cut that was just one piece, you're gonna measure that along with these 3 strips, and you're gonna notice that one of them is shorter than the other 3. So you're gonna take a pair of scissors and you're gonna cut to where the other ones are, so that way you make all 4 strips the same height. Okay, so now you have 8, 4, and then the last one, the last piece. So now you're gonna take your crocodile, you're gonna grab all of the 8 pieces of paper that are the same, and you're gonna use your crocodile. You're gonna find a smaller hole, this one, if you can see that, I don't know if you can see in that angle, and you're gonna make a little hole in the middle going down about 1/4 of an inch. You're gonna do the hole there, you're gonna flip it around, you're gonna do the same, going down 1/4 of an inch and in the middle. Okay, you're gonna do the same thing to the 4 pieces of paper. So you're gonna go 1/4 of an inch and poke a hole and flip it around and do the same thing on that one. Okay, now you're gonna take that lonely piece of paper, you're going to put some glue right there so you can fold it over like this. So using your snail adhesive, the way you're going to measure how far you're going to go in is the width of the snail adhesive is going to guide you. So you're going to do it twice, all the way to the edge, 1, and then 2. That's how wide you're going to tape the piece of paper. So you're going to go around like that. Okay, so now you're going to take your crocodile again, and you're going to poke a hole. Let's see if I want to show you. Hold on. See if you can see that. You see that little thing sticking out that's poking the hole? You see that? That's where it's gonna guide you to where you're gonna poke the hole. So just make sure you see that. You see now it's retracting. Now it's coming out. Okay. So you're gonna poke a hole there, just like that. Okay? Now we're gonna assemble the bow. Nice and easy. You're gonna take your brad, okay? And I wanna make sure you can see this, so I'm gonna put it closer. Oops. There you go. I just wanna make sure it's focusing. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so putting it down like that. You're gonna use your 8 pieces first. So here's your brad, hole, like that. Then you're gonna flip it like you're actually gonna put it in there, but you're gonna flip it like that. Do you see that? You're gonna go like if you were gonna put it straight through, but instead of going like that, you're gonna flip it over like that. Okay? So that's what you're gonna get. So now you're gonna do the next one. Again. Okay. You see that? Put these over here. Again. Going down like that and then flipping it. Okay. And then we're going to turn it around. Again. Going down like that and flipping it. Okay, now you see it coming to shape. Now we're gonna do the next 4. So we're gonna put them in between each 2. So we're gonna go in this one first. Again, like if we're gonna do it, but we're gonna flip it. Okay. Now we're gonna turn it. Again, we're gonna put it in between these 2. Stick it in there and flip it. Okay, now turn it around again. I'm gonna do it between these 2. Stick it in and flip it. And now it's gonna go between these 2. See how it's taking shape? How easy is this, huh? Alright, so now we're gonna take the little ones, the 4 pieces. We're gonna do the same thing. Stick it in the tail, I guess you want to call that. And again, flip it in. So now you're gonna do it between these 2. Now we're gonna put it between these 2. Again. Make sure you see it. Okay. Now between these 2. And then between these 2. So now, see, that's how it's looking already. The one that, whoosh, there we go. Sorry guys. Okay, the little hole, you see the hole? Okay, so now we're gonna stick it right in there. Right the hole. Okay. See, now you're just gonna close the brad. Just kind of feel it around and close it. Ouch. But don't poke yourself. There you go. Just give it some shape. Get it all comfortable, nice. And there you go. See, it wasn't that simple. Told you. I knew it was gonna be, it looked very difficult, but it's actually very easy. So here's the other one. Let me zoom out. There you go. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope you make tons of bows and save yourself lots of money when Christmas comes along in the holidays. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.